Hi viewers and welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. My name is Bafo. It's not all the time that something good comes one's way. When we are confronted with a bad situation, we should summon the courage to deal with it. The phrase bad market in Nigerian Pidgin English means something or someone bad or of no value or something or someone that is not worth it at all. For example, see who they come, bad market. This business, now bad market. That babe where you introduced to Gideon, now bad market. People that are bad market are not worth hanging around with. See you on our next edition of Word and Expression of the Week. Bye for now.